Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 12, that is exponent and powers. In this chapter, students, today we will solve the questions from exercise 12.1, and this is the first question. Evaluate. It means you have to find out the value of these numbers. So first one is 3 to the power minus 2 or 3 raised to the power minus 2. You have to find out the value of this number. So students, there is a negative exponent, negative power. So you have to write this like this: 1 by 3 to the power 2. It means you will write this 1 by 3 into 3, and it will be 1 by 9. Students, in this question you have used formula, that is a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. This exponent will be positive. This is formula, student, or law. You have already studied about this law in your previous video. So a to the power minus m, it means the exponent is negative here, students. So if exponent is negative, to make it positive we have to write this like this: 1 upon a to the power m, and we have used this rule to solving this question. So second one is, student, in this also we have to use this rule. So this one minus 4 to the power minus 2. So this is, the power is negative, that is minus 2, exponent is negative here. So we will write it 1 by 4 minus 4, student. Students, remember this minus, because this is base, that is minus 4, it will not be changed. ये चेंज नहीं होगा, ये नेगेटिव रहेगा यहाँ, but power will be changed. Exponent, that is exponent, it will be changed after writing it 1 by minus 4 to the power 2. It means 1 by minus 4 into minus 4, and it will be 1 by minus into minus, that will be plus, 4 4 ja 16, and your answer will be 1 by 16. The value of this will be 1 by 16. Now this one, 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. In this question also it is negative exponent, students. So we have to change this in positive exponent. So it will be, transfer this or write the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2, that will be 2 by 1 to the power 5. Exponent will be positive because we have changed this 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. So exponent will be positive. So it will be 2 to the power 5 upon 1 to the power 5. It means, student, we have to write this like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, and again 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is also 5 times, and it will be 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32, and 1 multiplied by many times, that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. So 32 by 1, it means 32. In these questions we have used formula, that is a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus m. Clear, students? Now we will solve the second question. Students, this is question number 2nd, and in this question simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponents. First of all, we have to solve these questions or simplify this, and we have to write in exponential form with positive exponents. इसको पावर नोटेशन में लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, और इसका जो एक्सपोनेंट होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -4 to the power 5 divided by -4 to the power 8. So base is equal in this question. Base is equal, students, and there is a sign of division. So remember the law, that is, if a to the power n divided by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. Clear, students? This is the rule, and we have to use this rule in solving this question. So base is equal, so we have to write -4 to the power, this one 5 minus 8, and it will be -4 to the power 5 minus 8. Students, one is positive and second is negative, so it will be subtracted, and -8 plus 5, it will be -3. So exponent is negative here, but we have to write the exponent in positive. So we have to write this like this, that is 1 upon -4 to the power, that is 3. Clear, students? So this one will be 1 upon -4 to the power 3 whole power 3. This is the positive exponent. So answer will be 1 upon -4 to the power 3. This is in power notation, and the exponent is positive here. And in this, student, we have used here a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus m. Clear? So this is the rule, and in this part of the question we have used a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus m. So -4 is base, so it will be -4. Students, इसको हमेशा आप याद रखें, जब बेस निगेटिव रहेगा तो बेस हमेशा निगेटिव रहेगा, सिर्फ पावर इसका चेंज होगा. जब हम 1 अपान करेंगे तो या इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स लिखेंगे तो पावर इसका पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, लेकिन बेस सेम वही रहेगा. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट सेकंड पार्ट. एंड इन दिस देयर इज -3 to the power 4 and into 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. So first of all we have to write it -1 into 3 to the power 4 into this one 5 by 3 to the power 4. So it will be, students, -1 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into this one 5 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. This one will be -1 to the power 4. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इसमें पावर यहाँ पर इवन नंबर है और ये नंबर नेगेटिव है तो ये नंबर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. अगर पावर ऑड रहेगा यहाँ तो ये नेगेटिव होगी. सपोज -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. Students, we have to multiply -1 4 times. So it will be minus into minus, that will be +1 into again this one minus into minus, it will be +1. 1 into 1, that will be 1. So it will be 1 into 3 to the power 4 here, students, and this one divided by 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 minus 4. This is the law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n. इसका एक्सपोनेंट ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा into 5 to the power 4. So this one 1 into 3 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 4. So, this one will be 1 into 1 power 0, a to the power 0 means a to the power 0, it means 1. Clear student? This is rule. And now it will be into 5 to the power 4 is equal to, it will be 1 into 5 to the power 4, it means 5 to the power 4. This one will be answer. This is in exponential form and power is positive. The exponent on this 5 raised to the power 4. This one is part 4th half, question number 2nd, and in this question students, it is 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So, first of all we have to solve this bracket students, and in this we find that base is 3, base is equal and there is a sign that is division. So, remember the rule, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n. This is the rule students, and we will use this rule in solving this question first. So, 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10, it means 3 raised to the power minus 7 minus this one minus 10. Students, if there is a sign of division, then the powers will be subtracted. Now, into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So, this one 3 raised to the power minus 7 and this one minus into minus, that will be plus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. And students, it will be 3 raised to the power, one is negative and another is positive. So, negative positive will be subtracted. 10 minus 7, that is 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. Students, here base is equal and exponents are different and there is a sign of multiplication. So, we have to use another rule, and that is a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. It is a rule and we have to use this one. So, this one will be 3 raised to the power 3 plus minus 5, and it will be 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5, or it will be 3 raised to the power, one is positive and another is negative. So, negative positive will be subtracted, minus 5 plus 3, that will be minus 2. Students, but we have to write the exponent in its positive way. So, we have to use another rule, that is a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m, this one. So, using this we will write here 1 by 3 to the power 2. This one is the answer student. And this is 5th part of this question, and in this question is the bases are different. Here is 2 and here is minus 7, but exponents are equal. So, we have to remember a rule, that is a to the power m into b to the power n is equal to a into b to the power n. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर पावर्स जो इस पर एक्सपोनेंट्स लगे हुए हैं, अगर ये इक्वल हों तो हम, और नंबर से डिफरेंट हों बेसिस, तो हम इस फॉर्म में इसको लिख सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू यूज दिस रूल इन सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सो वी विल राइट हियर 2 into minus 7, this one whole power minus 3. So, 2 7 ja 14, this one will be minus 14 to the power minus 3. Exponent is negative here, students. So to make this exponent positive, we have to remember this rule, that is a to the power minus am is equal to a 1 upon a to the power plus m. So it will be 1 upon minus 14 to the power 3. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हमने इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिख दिया तो यहाँ पर पावर इसका चेंज हो गया, निगेटिव से पॉजिटिव हो गया, बट दिस वन बेस विल बी सेम, दिस वन विल बी minus 14. क्लियर? सो दिस इज आंसर. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. This is question number 3, students, and in this question we have taken here 3 parts. Remaining part of this question you have to do yourself. And the first part of this question is 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. So students, in this question we have to find out the value of this. So first one, a raised to the power 0, a raised to the power 0, it means 1. Any number has a power 0, but condition is a should not be 0. Base should not be 0 here. That is compulsory, that is a must not be 0 here, students. So if a number that is 10 to the power 0, it means 1. This is rule, students. So using this rule we have to write this one, 3 to the power 0, it means 1, plus a to the power minus m, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus m. Clear, students? So again we will use this rule in this. So it will be 1 upon 4 to the power 1 means 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 2. Now students, in this we will take LCM, that is 4, and this one 1 4 ja 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now it will be 5 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now it will be, students, this one will be 5 upon 2 raised to the power 2. 4, it means 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. In the next step, students, we will use this 5 into 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2, because in this step, student, in this step it is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. This rule, using this rule we have to, students, इसको हम डायरेक्ट यहाँ से काट सकते हैं, लेकिन हम एक्सपोनेंट कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो हम एक्सपोनेंट के स्टेप्स को यहाँ फॉलो करेंगे, एंड दैट विल बी 5 into 2 to the power 0, and it will be 5 into 1, that is 5. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? स्टूडेंट्स, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे आप, उन सब में मैक्सिमम आप जो एक्सपोनेंट्स है, पावर्स है, उसके स्टेप्स को फॉलो करेंगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी नंबर को आप डायरेक्ट वहाँ से काट दें इस तरह से, अगर डिवाइड हो रही है तो मैक्सिमम उसको आप एक्सपोनेंट्स को फॉलो करते हुए, उसके रूल्स को फॉलो करते हुए तब सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन powers are negative here. Clear? So this one 1 by 2 to the power minus 2, 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2, and plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2, and it will be, we have to change the powers into positive. हम powers को positive में change करेंगे, जो इसके exponents हैं स्टूडेंट, उसको हम positive में change करेंगे. Then we have to write द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द नंबर्स इन द ब्रैकेट। जो ब्रैकेट में नंबर है इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स हम लिख देंगे। दिस वन विल बी 2/1 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 3/1 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 4/1 टू द पावर 2। स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ नीचे 1 है तो 1 को कितनी भी टाइम आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 ही आएगी, और 1 से किसी नंबर को अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो नंबर सेम रहेगी। तो इसलिए हम 1 को यहाँ रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं, 1 को नीचे नहीं लेते हैं, या 1 स्टेप में हम इसको अभी इस तरह से लिखते हैं 2 टू द पावर 2 अपॉन 1 टू द पावर 2 एंड प्लस 3 टू द पावर 2 अपॉन 1 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 4 टू द पावर 2 अपॉन 1 टू द पावर 2। स्टूडेंट्स ये पावर यहाँ पर है या एक्सपोनेंट, तो इसको यहाँ भी एक्सपोनेंट इसके लिए भी होगा और इसके लिए भी, दोनों नंबर्स के लिए ये होगा। इट विल बी 2 इंटू 2 अपॉन 1 इंटू 1 प्लस 3 इंटू 3 अपॉन 1 इंटू 1 प्लस 4 इंटू 4 अपॉन 1 इंटू 1। 1 को हम कितनी भी टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स तो वो 1 ही होगा, इसलिए हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 2 जा 4, 4/1 मीन्स 4, दैट इज दिस वन 9/1 दैट इज 9 प्लस 16/1 दैट इज 16, 4 4 जा 16। सो add these numbers that is 1 LCM 4 9 13 and 16 that is 29/1, or we can write it 29. Clear students? This one 29. And fifth part of this question, that is -2/3 to the power -2 and whole power, that is 2. So first of all we have to change this in positive exponent students. पहले हम इसको पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स में चेंज कर लेंगे स्टूडेंट, एंड वी हैव टू राइट द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ दिस नंबर टू मेक द एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव। सो इट विल बी दिस वन 3/-2 टू द पावर 2 एंड होल पावर, that is whole power 2. Now this one will be 3/2 and this one -2 to the power 2 and this whole power 2. So this one will be students 3 into 3 upon 4, sorry -2 into -2 and this whole power 2, and this one will be 3 3 ja 9 and minus into minus that will be plus. So this one will be 2 2 ja 4 whole power 2. Now this one will be 9 to the power 2 upon 4 to the power 2, and it will be 9 into 9 upon 4 into 4, and it will be students 9 9 ja 81 and 4 4 ja 16, 81/16. This is the answer of fifth part of the questions. It will be 2 to the power 3 whole power -1 into 5 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power -4. Clear friends? So this one will be, if a to the power m whole power n, then this one will be a to the power m into n. This is rule students. So using this rule we have to write this. So it will be 2 to the power 3 whole power -1. So it means you have to multiply 3 into -1. So it will be 2 to the power 3 1 ja 3, that is -3 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 4. Clear friend? Now in this part 2 raised to the power minus 3 and this one divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4. So, students, this one will be following this rule that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. So, using this rule we have to solve this part. So, it will be 2 raised to the power minus 3 and power will be subtracted, that is m minus n, minus 4. Student, this one is minus 4. So, there is a sign of negative, that is m minus n is minus 4 here, into 5 raised to the power 3, and this one will be 2 raised to the power minus 3 and this one minus into minus, that will be plus 4 into 5 raised to the power 3. So, plus 4 minus 3, it will be subtracted. So, it will be 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. It means 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So, student, it will be 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, 125, and this one will be 250. This is the answer of this part of the questions, and in this question we have used these formulas to solve this question. Now, we have to solve this second part of this question, and here this one 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, and that is 6 to the power minus 1. So, students, first of all we have to write this like this, because base is not equal but exponents are equal. Clear? So, we have to write this 5 into 2 whole power minus 1 into this 6 into 6 to the power minus 1. So, it will be 10 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. Clear, students? So, now it will be, now students, in this part of the question there is again powers are equal but bases are different. So, we have to take this like this, 10 into 6 to the power minus 1. It means we have to write it 60 to the power minus 1. It means 1 upon 60 to the power 1 or 1 upon 60. This one will be plus power, so it will be 1 upon 60. This is question number 5, students, and in this question you have to find out the value of m, and it is given that 5 raised to the power m divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. So, first part of the question is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We have to use this rule. So, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, it will be a raised to the power m minus n. So, this one is a rule, students, using this rule, because the bases are same, exponents are different, and there is a sign of division. So, exponent will be subtracted. 5 raised to the power n minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. Now, 5 raised to the power n, this one minus into minus, it will be plus, n plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. Students, remember that there is base 5 and there is also base 5. Clear? And there is a sign between these two. So, 5 raised to the power m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. If bases are equal and there is a equality between these two, therefore the exponent must be equal. So we have to left these bases and we have to write the exponents only because they will be equal. M plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore m is equal to 5 minus 3 after transposing this 3 to the right side. So m is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. This one is answer of this question. Now we have to solve question number 6, students, and in this question, that is 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1 and whole power minus 1. So first of all we have to write the multiplicative inverse of these numbers to make the exponent positive. एक्सपोनेंट को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स इन फ्रैक्शंस का हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट. सो इट विल बी 3 by 1 to the power 1 plus 4 by 1 to the power 1 and whole power of this is equal to minus 1. So students, this one will be 3 and this one 4. So power 1 it means 3 1 times and 1 to the power 1 it means 1. So we have to let this one. So it will be 3 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1. So it will be 7 raised to the power minus 1 and it will be 1 upon 7. So solution of this part of the question will be 1 upon 7. This is the first part of question number 7, student, and in this part you have to simplify this. So first of all we have to write this 25 in the exponential form, that is 5 into 5 into t to the power minus 4 and this one 5 raised to the power minus 3 into 10. Write the factors of 10, that will be 5 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Now friends, we will solve this, that is 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 and here 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 1. Students, this will be, if bases are equal then exponents will be added. So this one exponent 1, so 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 1 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. In this step we will write as that 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 upon. This one will be, student, exponents will be added. This one will be 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1. That is this one minus 3 plus 1 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Clear, friends? Now it will be 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 upon this one 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1. It will be minus 2 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Now in the next step, students, we have to write this 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 2. So there is a sign of division in between these two. Bases are equal, so exponents will be subtracted. And again in this t to the power minus 4 and here divided by t to the power minus 8. Again in this case bases are equal, so exponents will be subtracted. So we can write this like 5 to the power 2 minus 2. Clear, friends? Into t to the power minus 4 minus this one minus 8 upon पार्ट को आपको समझना है यहाँ. This one minus 2, it means 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 2. If there is a sign of division, the exponents will be subtracted. And same time, t to the power minus 4 divided by t to the power minus 8. Clear friends? So it will be minus into minus, that will be plus 5. 2 plus 5 to the power 2 plus 2 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8 upon 2. And this one will be, students, 5 to the power 4 into t to the power plus 8 minus 4, it will be t to the power 4 plus 4. Clear friend? Plus 8 minus 4, it will be plus 4 upon 2. So 5 to the power 4, it means that will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into t to the power, that is 4 upon 2. So it will be, student, 5 5 25, 5 125, 5 625. t to the power 4 by 2. So this one is answer, student. And second part of this question you have to do yourself.